I wanted to talk about stacks and queues. And I know stacks and queues are one of the data structures of many different kinds of data structures. And of course, I am going to give you a food analogy. Imagine yourself eating pancakes. When you have a stack of pancakes, you know, from the top to bottom, which means the order is going based off what is first in, last out, is the idea of a stack. Queues, it's like when you're eating pancakes, you're taking your pancakes in order. So you're literally going from the bottom, which is like the first in, first out method. I know no one really eats pancakes like that. So the idea of queue is that thinking about when people are standing in line in queues and you gotta weigh, there's an order between a data structures like stack and queues versus a array. Is that when you are grabbing the element and you're assigning the element into the array, you know, in JavaScript, especially when you're doing on shift, you're not using a constant time.